while I was leaving from home. Okay, my little girl, she's 2.5 years old. She was about to start crying that I will go with Papa. Okay?
Yeah.
And this has been happening recently.
Yes.
Every time I try to go out from home, she always try to come out with me.
Okay, now we are seeing the seaside.
We can step out and take some snaps.
Some?
এখন না আর একটু ভালো জায়গায় দেখি আমরা দরকার হলে। Do you have any road? I mean the beach side road?
Beach side.
Yeah.
This is the most beach side road that you can imagine. at
Oh,
the moment.
okay. It's a hotel. It's nice.
It's a big sea or small sea?
What do you mean?
You say it's a seaside, right?
Yes.
So it's like an ocean?
No, it's Adriatic.
Adriatic Sea.
Yes. There is Italy is only in the middle of Adriatic Sea. There is no ocean and stuff like this.
স্যার এইটার পরে আর তো শহর নাই বুঝছেন, এটাই সি সাইড আর কি। হ্যাঁ, এটার পরে হচ্ছে অন্য দেশ।